Hello everybody, and today we are going to be making a GameInfo command. So this has been a requested feature and we are going to be adding it to our bot. Now I apologise for not having recorded in ages. We're going to be picking up activities, a couple videos a week. Alright, let's start. So first of all, we're just going to make a basic GameInfo command. And this is going to be where we use a predefined place ID in our script, and then next we're going to make a dynamic one. In the description or in the video there are timestamps which will tell you where is what one. Okay, let's start. First of all, we need to open our terminal and install no blocks. Just type that command, it will be in the description. And while we're doing that, let's start on this. So module.export equals these brackets, open it up. The name is going to be GameInfo, and our this not that description is going to be shows information on a game. Right, so now we're just going to asynchronously execute it. Message args client. Okay, cool. Next, we're going to require a couple things. So we're going to get our message event. Not our message event, our message embed. And this is just gonna make it a lot prettier. And then we're gonna get our no blocks. Okay, so first we're gonna get our place info. And we're just gonna put a Roblox ID in there. So this is just an example one. Next, we're going to make an embed. So const embed equals new message embed. And we're going to start from there. So first we're going to set the title. And this is literally just going to be the place name. So that's going to be place info dot name. Now I've just run this command, so currently the script knows what I'm referencing. It may not highlight it as much for you, but if you do it the exact like word, it will work. Next we'll set the description, and we're going to actually no, let's not do a description. Let's just keep it basic. Dot set color red and dot set URL. I'm going to show you how to customize it in a minute. Place info dot URL. So now I'm just going to send the embed. And we should be good to go. So if we just run the bot, which is node index.js. Once we get the confirmation that it has started, we're just going to come to it and run it again. Okay, there we go. Listening on port 3000, logged in. Okay, so I'm just going to run the command. So that's going to be exclamation mark game info, and it will link us to the game. So next, I'm just going to quickly bring up the no blocks docs, because this is a lot of information. So first of all, we have got, I don't know if, yeah, you can see this. Okay, so first of all, we've got the part what you do here. So this is literally just what I've done here. And then we can see what we can get from it. So this is everything you can get from it. So stuff like when it was last updated, the description, the SID, the visited count, the max players. So let's just take a couple of these, like builder, and let's edit it in. So dot set description, and I'm just gonna quickly make it look good. So owner is going to be place info dot builder, game ID. Then I just got to, yeah, game ID can be place info dot asset ID, and finally we can have a just, I don't know, let's pick another one. Um, let's get the genre, so the asset genre. Um, genre. Okay, cool. So I'm going to now quickly end my console, run it again, bring this over, and we're going to do game info. And now we've got our info, so game owner, game ID, and our genre, just so you can see it a bit better. Okay, so now we're going to make it dynamic. So we're literally going to do a really quick system for this. Const place ID is equal to args0, sorry, args index 0. Next, we're going to check if there's a place, if there's not a place ID, then we're going to return specify a place ID. Now we're going to do a try catch. So we're gonna send in our catch message dot catch error message dot channel dot send. We'll just send that there's been an error. And then we'll just paste all of this info into our try bit and change this to place ID. Now I'm just gonna double check if it wants us to. I'm not even sure myself. We're gonna want to probably make it a number, but we'll try this. So get place info. Well, example Roblox ID and our Discord. Okay. So game info. That's our place ID. Game info and our ID, and it has not errored. It's also not run anything. Hmm. Oh, there we go. It took a while to do it. It's probably a connection issue, but we did get it back. Okay, so I'm going to leave a link in the description for this, so then you know exactly how you can customize it. You should know how to do embed customization by now. If not, there's loads of stuff online about it. By the way, I'm going to be starting a new series soon, which is going to be upgrading all of our old code to Discord.js version 13. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you again in the future.